Dia, let's begin with these shocking pictures that are now coming late last night from Nagaum police station in Srinagar. Unfortunately, 7 people losing their lives and at least 29 of them have been injured following this massive explosion at a police station. Now, the blast that occurred while samples were being extracted from the large cache of confiscated explosives linked to the recent investigation into the white-collar terror module that was busted in Faridabad. Now, reports indicate that the explosion happened while the handling of explosive materials had been transported from Faridabad, and now these materials were said to be around 360 kgs of explosives that was recovered from the rented residence of the arrested Dr. Muzammal. Now, remember the Nagaum police station, which is the center of the investigation that led to the unraveling of the Jaish-e-Mohammed's interstate terror module last week. Let's connect with Sahil Suhail. Sahil, as we're looking at the sun coming up, do we get pictures there of how the Nagaum police station is now looking as of now this morning? We are told that several fire tenders were rushed to the spot after this explosion that happened had gutted the entire building.
Well, as of now, the entire area has been basically sealed by Jammu and Kashmir police, cordoned off, and nobody is basically being allowed to move inside the police station. Because there are, in fact, number of investigations taking place, and the priority for security forces of Jammu and Kashmir police late last evening was to evacuate injured to hospital and, in fact, save as many as can, because this was huge explosion that had taken place inside police station Nagaum at around 11:20 p.m. This was the, in fact, explosion. In fact, explosives that were recovered from Jammu and Kashmir police from Faridabad while they were in fact busting the Jaish terror module. And would like to show you the pictures again. This is basically the area which is in fact of Nagaum police station. It has been sealed from this point. Nobody is being allowed to move inside or go close to the police station where this explosion took place yesterday, in fact, in the late evening. These explosives were basically recovered from Faridabad while Jammu and Kashmir police was on to bust the Jaish terror module, and around 350 kgs were basically brought here in Srinagar. As per procedure and as per the legal binding, the in fact explosive was stored inside police station Nagaum, and then yesterday there were in fact multiple teams that in fact were examining and in fact sampling the explosives, but during that the explosion has triggered and causing a huge blast that in fact damaged whole of the police station building, and in fact 7 as of now, we are picking from the sources, is the number of casualties, and in fact more than around 29 have suffered injuries. Top police officials are on spot. They're inside the police station. In fact, yesterday we had seen CRPF, BDS squads, fire brigade, and all in fact line departments moving inside the police station, because it's a huge explosion. Jammu and Kashmir police has been handling with IEDs, with RDX, explosives from last 30 years, from last 3 decades. It has in fact dealt with all these explosives. But what went wrong when this in fact sampling was being done inside police station? It's not for the first time that Jammu and Kashmir police was taking samples from the explosives inside the police station. It has been doing it from last 30 years, as I said, since 90s. Kashmir has seen these kind of explosives, blasts, IEDs, and in fact RDX being used by
mainly experts in their field, whether it comes to the forensic experts, whether it comes to the policemen. Did it happen while the inspection was taking place? Was there any level of mishandling, or was there something else? Was it accidental or not? All of these angles are yet to be investigated, but this is very unfortunate of this kind of an incident that had triggered this massive blast at a police station in Nagaum. And let's get you the intensity of the blast. What had happened exactly late last night? So the CCTV footage there, 14th of November, 23:22. That means around 11:22 p.m. You see this huge fireball. You see this white orange light, and then you can see the windows bang open. Now, this is exactly when it comes to the intensity that could be ascertained from this blast. As this blast ripped through the building, there was a massive blaze that was reported. People from the vicinity are saying that they could hear this massive explosion there that could be heard to around several meters away. But as Sahil is getting us this information this morning, the entire area has now been cordoned off and that road for now has also been blocked. But is it the same chemical? Is it the same kind of explosion, that happened near the Red Fort in Delhi? Sahil, is there any information to that regard? Because multiple of these explosives, and we are talking about several hundreds and kgs of them, that was confiscated.
Well, as of now, the one similarity that has been picked up from this explosion and the explosion that has taken place in the Red Fort area of Delhi is the orange impact color that went into the air, or impact when this explosion occurred. The similar impact, the lights and similar impact nature of blast has been somewhere in fact picked up by the investigating agencies, because yesterday at around 11:22 p.m. when this explosion took place, it was so high, it was so huge that it was in fact shaking the entire locality. It has shaken the entire locality. I was about 5 kilometers away from this police station, Naugam, when this blast took place, and I could basically sense that shaking, and in fact telling my sources that it was not just the air blast or something else, but it was something which we need to follow up. So we started following up, and in fact after minutes we turned up to this reality that inside police station Naugam this sort of blast had taken place, this sort of explosion had taken place. So this chemical or this explosive was in fact rather recovered from Faridabad. There could be similarities. It's a matter of investigation. Those investigating agencies are already carrying out the investigation. We had seen yesterday, minutes after this blast, another FSL team was inside the police station. They are settled inside the police station, and in fact BDS squads were also brought in to neutralize any other threat. But the intensity of this blast was huge. It had shaken entire impact locality in police station Naugam, because this
has been cordoned off completely. You can see the presence there of the security officials there. Of course, there would be specialized teams that would be also called in to actually ascertain this cause of this blast, because there are several theories that have been doing the rounds. As this intensity of this blast that happened, several vehicles in the compound were also damaged. Multiple fire tenders were rushed to the spot, and all of the roads that were leading towards the police station for now have been closed. But